Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe helps to make the seasons bright. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa Claus is on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh. And every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeer really know how to fly. I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92. That's me and you. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Kids from 1 to 92. Although it's been said many times,